And once again, we are live. This is Touchbase, getting to know the face behind the brand. And I'm so privileged to be with the executive team of Keeper Holdings.
Keepers is engaged in the importation, distribution, and marketing of spirit, wines, and specialty beverage. No? That's the business we're in. So, given the diversity and extensive portfolio that we have, we hold a leading position, dominant position in the spirit segment, having 74% of the market to our account. That's first. And then second is
James.
what are the top three brands that contribute to Keeper's bottom line? So, I'll give you a context to that. And brand-wise, very clearly, it's Alfonso. It doesn't only contribute significantly to Keeper's bottom line, but it's also the number one brand in the category of brandy, and it's also the number one imported spirit brand. So Alfonso very clearly is a big contributor, top line and bottom line of Keepers. And the next one would be, I think I would say, not a category, but not a brand, but a category. And this is the whiskey category. And that's an exciting category. And there's a number of brands and players in that particular category. That's also that also contributes significantly to the bottom line. Because in whiskey, you have the number one subcategory in that particular category. That's Johnnie Walker blended Scotch whiskey. That's a big brand. So there, Johnnie Walker is part of that. Yung photo you showed. Okay, and Johnnie Walker as a brand, it has a very nice verticals. It starts from red label, to blue label, and so forth and so on. And still under the whiskey category, you have the single malts. O ikaw, China, di ba? Sabi mo, umiinom ka ng Glenfiddich.
Yes.
So, yeah, Glenfiddich is like, one of the leading single malt Scotch whiskies in the world. It's also part of our portfolio. And so that's Glenfiddich single tone. So that's growing. And then you have Jameson Irish whiskey, which is also another growing category.
May alak, may blank. So if you're gonna have an answer to that, if you're gonna fill in the blanks, ano yun, pwede ka be creative as you can. Audience, you can also comment this, ano ang isasagot nyo dito? Pag may alak, may blank.
I'll save mine later after everybody. I'll save mine later after everybody.
Sir John, how? Anong isasagot mo dyan? Pag may alak, may
pulutan.
Pwede. Miss Ime, pag may alak, may?
I will stick to the saying talaga na pag may alak, may balak. So,
May balak.
Ang Keepers may alak, may balak, at maraming plans. Ganun.
Miss Ime, para na biktima ng balak ka. Next, si Sir Ted. Sir Ted, pag may alak, may?
Pag may alak, may Keepers.
May keyword. Nag-stay sa... Sir, tingnan natin, bago natin pasagutin si Sir JP. Ang sabi ng mga viewers natin, pag may alak, may lasing. Pag may alak, may table. Sabi ni The Profitable Trade ID, you research the next big craze in PH to distribute since this is imported spirit. How do you do your research when it comes to new drink to come in the Philippines?
Ano na yan? Kasi when you're in the business, and I've been here since when it was liberalized in the late 80s, no? It's part of the system na. So, you do have relationships with brand owners. And to us, we have, the leading brand owners of the alcohol beverage in the world. is with us in these particular markets, and through them, we get updates already. What the goings on or kung ano ang hot in the drinking cup, you get to know eh. When you travel, you attend trade shows. There's always a trade shows in France or in the US or in Hong Kong or Singapore. So wala lang trade show during the pandemic. No. Ayan. And of course, itong ginagawa mo, itong internet, the social media platform, ang dami kang matututunan kung ano kasi everybody is proud. They're showing what they're doing in the social media space. One thing exciting about our industry is that you get to travel. Wala nga lang travel during the pandemic.
Yeah.
But one of the perks of being employed in the alcohol beverage industry is you get to travel. So you can visit vineyards. It's very nice. You visit you visit distilleries. So around the world, and most of them are in Europe and US. So and this is part of the education process. You have to understand the product. You have to understand the brand and also the company that you my mind is clear. There's no distractions. So, diba? It's great to think and plan ahead. No need to rush. To me, mornings is quality time. Ayoko mag-exercise sa umaga kasi gusto kong gamitin yung umaga to think and to plan. I hope, no? Well, congratulations on your platform. I like the format. China. Tapos tuloy ako. Marian ba? China. Okay. This is very nice. I hope we'll have the same platform also in our business where we can engage, the winemakers or the distillers with the consumers. I think this is a learning coming from you. Well, I hope that we were able to give you at least an idea kasi we were not, we didn't present an idea of the business we're in and its growth potential. Sana naman na-pick up yun ng ating mga viewers. Again, to repeat lang, Keepers is a listed company engaged in the importation and distribution of spirits, wines, and specialty beverage. With our portfolio, we hold a leading and dominant position in the industry, particularly in the spirit segment, having 74% market share. So, given the strong fundamentals of our company, I think this is an exciting business for both consumers kasi we have the brands and those investors who are interested in investing. And also to you kasi you're drinking and to yung mga kanina nag-share ng mga iniinom nila, those loyal consumers, we're forever grateful. Our heartfelt thanks to your continued support. Keep on pouring, and keep on sharing the brands.